That's it. So I doesn't find only here empty user dot text file. How can visible? That is the system file. Open, change, view, and hide empty drive. These three uncheck. Apply. Okay. Still it doesn't get. One more thing. See here. What is written? Hide protected operating system file. Okay. So this I need to uncheck. Apply. Okay. Now, are you able to see? So smart. So just rename this one. So dat to man. That's it. Clear? Hello guys, please answer.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It's clear, sir.
Just I need to change the name, okay? Where this Chrome input file, which one yesterday I share folder, in that profile folder. So that user profile is become a mandatory profile. Clear? Okay guys. Now, actually background, what happened in background? See, this is my server. This is my database. Means folder. For example, sharing folder, user profile folder. So in that folder, what is the file name, Mr. Usman? File name?
This NTDS folder, na? NTDS.nit.
NT user NT user dot
.dat. Yes, sir.
Right. So this is NT user dot dat. So actually this is the database folder. Which one? That all user information is going to be stored here in this file. The logic, understand? Okay. So you are login. For example, these are your systems, right? So you are login. So you create the files, folders 1, 2, 3, 4. So next day you are logging from this system 1, 2, 3, 4, and this 4 plus 8. Now third day. So whatever update you are doing, whatever you update you are done, that update or this information is going to be stored in this database folder here. So when you log in from this system, the server check, oh, this user is logging from here, so I need to download the all information to this system. Sorry. So that user next day, the user login to here, so server say, oh, this user logged to here, so I need to download the all information here. So like that, whatever update information, everything you will get every system, right? Because server is downloading downloading your information. Clear? Hello guys, understand?
Yes, sir.
Clear? Make sense? This server is downloading. Okay, user is logging to here because this is the database, same thing, right? Now, what I'm going to do, I'm changing this file name as a man, right? For example, Usman is a Usman. I told you the one person. Usman is look like this one. Okay, he's standing the side. Okay, so please take this information or please take this parcel and give to the Usman. Okay, this is the man. So whatever. So that guy is going to the Usman and he check the Usman and he give the parcel to Usman, right? So every day. So next day is coming, Usman is get back to the that person, that he's written to the person, right? Whatever update. Now this time I change the person. So that time the guy whose daily is giving to the Usman the parcel, this time he get the confused or not? Answer me. If I change the face of Usman, if I change the cloth, whatever is daily wearing, so some different cloth I'm providing Usman. Usman is wearing different, and his hairstyle and face, everything is changed. So that time the person is get confused or not?
Yes, sir. He will confuse, sir.
He's confused, or maybe he's come back later. Ah, I didn't find the Usman, right?
Yes, sir.
Same thing is happened. So when you log in and update, so update is going to be saved in this folder, right? System need this file ntuser.dat. When server update is come and taking the update and want to save here, but he doesn't find this name nt dot. He find man. So that is the reason he dropped that update. Clear? So that is the reason you create the file. Next day you are logging from here, so you doesn't find this previous old data. Or you create some data and you're not safe and you log off again log on, so automatically is going to be deleted. Understand?
If we change the name of file, it will delete, sir, automatically.
Yes, simple logic, right? This person is a who will maintain the server, this person ntuser.dat, but we are changing the name. So simply where is going to be saved, because system need that file, right? The coding is there, right?
Yes, sir. Yes.
So all information, update information goes to stored there. But we are changing the name. So where is going to be saved? Because he doesn't find that person. That's fine. So he can't save. Clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That
Understood.
is the reason server itself is doesn't save. So that is the reason you doesn't get a new update or old previous one once you log off. Before logging, you can whatever you want. Once it's log off or log on, so everything is gone. Clear? So that is the
Yes,
reason.
sir.
And company is not like that. So do you think company will use this mandatory profile? Because company, every user wants the same information to every system, right?
Yes, sir.
The company never use this one, right? Understand or not?
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Understood.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Understood,
Yes, sir.
sir.
Exactly.
Yes. Thank you so much. Now, now let's go to another topic. So that is home folder.
Sir, this one first topic, no, sir. From then you was explaining this one at the from the
Previous.
beginning.
This is the previous. This
Okay,
is
sir.
a yesterday topic. One topic I have not explained because mandatory you are not using. But at least in interview level, at least you get the idea, or you need to have the idea, and at least you can give the answer. So that is the reason. So local profile, roaming profile, mandatory profile. So mandatory profile who will created by administrator, right? And
Yes,
the
sir.
main thing is सिंपल सी बात है कि रोमिंग प्रोफाइल में डेटा सेव होता था एवरी सिस्टम यू विल गेट द प्रीवियस डेटा राइट वट एवर
Yes, sir.
रोमिंग प्रोफाइल बट मैंडेटरी प्रोफाइल यू डजंट गेट एनी प्रीवियस डेटा इफ यू लॉग ऑफ डेटा विल लॉस Clear?
सर एक और बार बोलो सर, अब जो बोले ना रोमिंग प्रोफाइल में ये होता है मैंडेटरी प्रोफाइल।
Roaming profile is maintain the previous and update data. Roaming profile.
ओके सर।
Mandatory profile is doesn't maintain the previous data or update data.
ओके ओके सर।
Yeah. For example, I create here folders, multiple folders, right? Here. If I log off and log on with another system, I can get this folder in different system, right?
यस सर।
Roaming profile. But mandatory profile I created till I log off, I can use this one. Once I log off, so automatically is deleted.
ओके ओके सर।
That's simple.
ओके, it will delete sir, automatically delete that.
Automatic. Automatic.
Yeah, in local
Once I log
profile
off.
it won't delete.
Yes, local profile the
In
user get
local
only
and
in
roaming
in that
profile it
system, in
won't
that
delete.
system, in
Yes
that
sir.
system.
Yeah, in local profile it will save in that system.
Same particular system. You can't
Yeah.
find multiple system. Roaming profile, you can get every system the information. But mandatory profile you never get anywhere. Clear?
Yes sir. Yes.
That's it. Right. Now come to the home folder. Home folder. Home folder. Okay. So first I will show the lab, then I will explain. Okay.
Yes sir, continue sir.
Yes. Home folder. So with the home folder, administrator can maintain individual user information. So that is the reason we configure the home folder. Okay, individual user information can save. So home folder, how to create? Same like that. First one, create share folder, and second, user assign to user or user create user or assign and configure home folder particular user on that user, whatever we are using. Okay, these steps. So first, I will open
New folder.
new folder. So I'll give the name home because home folder doesn't matter. You can give any name.
Yeah.
Here for practice purpose and okay. Properties, sharing, share. Yes, everyone I can give and add,
Everyone.
read and write permission. Close. So home folder.
Home folder, sharing folder.
Yes, I click the share. So how I can check right click properties, sharing, so click show. So SVR, right? Server name SVR. So now share folder is over. Now I will go to the Active Directory. What is the command? dsa.msc. Right. Already user is created. So no problem. Again I will create new user. Right. MOHD. MOHD. SST at 123. SST at 123. I create the user. MOHD user. Right. So now I want to configure home folder to this user. So right click, click on properties, click on profile, and see here home folder connect. In workgroup, we can say this home folder to as a map drive. Map. In workgroup model. So all all user want to maintain the centralized database because all user want to save in particular folder, particular system. So we need to create one folder in that system and map this drive. So that is called map drive. Now here we call home folder. Okay. So in home folder option, click connect. So before that, what I will do, I will log off and log on with which user, which one I created, which one user I created. Which user, which name user I created now, just now.
Mohammed.
SST@123. When I create it, I log on. The username is Muhammad, right? This user. Now open my computer. See here. C partition is there. Nothing else. This is the pen drive or CD drive. Okay. In my computer. Now I want to access the share folder. So how I can access? /svr-1 server name. So now home folder is there, right? So like that I can access. So now I go in my computer. You doesn't find anything, right? Only C partition is there. So log out. Now go here, server, and here M. I'm selecting M. Connect to M, and here I give the network path. So where is my share folder? Share folder in the server. So where is the available server? Server in the network. So // is means network/server1. In that I have share folder name is home and the username is MOHT. I'm giving this path complete. This is the clear. Server means server name. This is the share folder name and this is the username. This is /DC name / share folder name and / username. Clear? So apply and then OK. Now go and check, verify client system. Now I'm going to log in with which is a Muhammad user. Open my computer. See here, guys.
Yes, sir.
Man, Riyaz, Amjad.
Yes, sir. We are able to see this.
Sir.
This the share folder here.
Yes, you find. So now open it, and now you can store the data, whatever you are working. Okay, this is my data I store here. Clear? And no need to access for this one / server name, IP address, share folder, whatever, right? So just I open my computer.
Yes, sir. Sir,
I can save. Simple logic. No need to
Excuse me, sir.
/ type.
Yes.
Yes.
yes, sir. Sir, this Only this user can see that folder, no, sir?
Yes, I will
Muhammad,
check.
only this user,
I will,
only
yes,
this user.
I'm showing you. Okay.
Okay.
Now, I log off, log on, and log on with another user. So another user for Amjad SST@123. Now see here, Amjad is available. The home folder is available. In
Yes, sir.
Amjad,
But,
user my computer.
yeah, but that network sharing folder is not available.
No, sir, not available.
Now what I'm going to do, from here you can see carefully and listen carefully. Okay. So what I'm going to do, so I'm going to configure home folder on Amjad user. Okay. How to configure? Let me know. Anybody can say the steps? Anyone?
What, sir?
I want to configure home folder on Amjad user.
Okay, the command, sir.
Yes, complete path. How I can assign?
Double
No,
slash.
no, no. I want to assign share folder. Oh, sorry, home folder to Amjad user. How I can assign? From where I need to
So
go?
we
Steps,
need to
complete
go
steps.
Active Directory management, sir.
Yes. Okay, then.
And right click on Amjad user properties.
Okay. Okay.
And profile.
Okay.
Location connect.
In home folder option, click and
yes,
give the drive name. So I'm giving
yes,
here K. And then network path double slash
SVR
/1
//
home
/ Amjad.
Right?
Yes.
Apply. Okay. That's it. Now verification. How I can verification? How can I verify?
We need to log in user.
Yes. SST@123. It's coming?
No, sir.
No. SST@123. Now it's coming?
Yes, sir. Now it's
Because it's taking the update, right?
Yes.
yeah.
Now,
Taking time to update, yeah.
yes, it's same folder, right? Home folder is the same. I'm not creating another share folder, right?
Yes,
Same
sir.
share folder I'm assigned to which user? Muhammad user, right? Same
Yes,
share folder I'm assigned to the Amjad, right?
Yes,
So,
sir.
Muhammad is created the database, right?
Yes, sir.
Muhammad created the some database, right? Some data.
Yes.
He put the some data. He saves the some data in that, right?
Yes, sir.
Now, Amjad also open.
Yeah.
You find the data, any data?
No, sir.
No,
sir,
he doesn't
no.
find that.
No, sir.
No, this is MJ.
Sir, the hard disk will be different, sir, from my side and his side for this folder.
I have question for you. Where we create the share folder?
In Amjad user, sir. Only I can access that.
Where we create the share folder?
In network, sir. Amjad user.
No. In the server.
Yes, sir. In server.
Create in server where in D partition, second partition, right?
Yes, sir.
Which folder name? Home folder name.
Yes,
So
sir.
my home folder, share folder in server. My location is server, right?
Yes, sir.
Clear? Domain controller. Server means domain controller. Clear? And home folder I'm assigned to two users, right?
Yes, sir.
I configure home folder on two users. One is Amjad, second is Muhammad, right?
Yes.
And
Yes, sir.
both users create the database and save, right? But Amjad doesn't find any file.
What Muhammad has created, yes, sir.
Yes.
There was some data that Muhammad has created just now. but Amjad
Yes.
is unable to view that data. Why is
Yes.
that so, sir?
That's what I'm telling you.
Okay.
Clear?
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Clear? So now I log off. I'll go to the server and check it out. What happened? So I come back to server, domain controller, and open it. So here, see here. When I open, see here, be careful. Home
Yes,
folder.
sir.
I'm not create anything, right? Yesterday class, I'm not creating any things in the share folder, right? Today also
Yes,
I'm
sir.
not creating anything in the home folder. When I open, see here, what happened?
There are two folders, sir. The Amjad user and Muhammad user.
When I open Amjad, see here,
So, okay,
Amjad
administrator can
and
access
Muhammad.
our both folders.
Got Osman? Got an answer?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir.
Sir,
I
I
got
have
the
one
answer, sir.
question.
It is for security purpose that respective data is saved in the server, but the user is able to access his own data.
Individual,
Yes, sir.
individual, simple you can
Yeah,
say.
yeah, yes, sir. Individually,
Administrator maintain and
yeah,
administrator maintain
yeah,
individual user information.
yeah.
That's it.
Individual
All
user
we can
interface,
maintain. Khalas.
but the end user cannot access the information that is on network share or the share
Other
folder.
user,
Yes, sir.
other user cannot access.
Yes, sir.
But the
Exactly, sir.
database folder is same. अब
Yes, sir.
sharing folder में क्या हो रहा था? Previous sharing folder में everyone can access, right?
Yes, sir.
Every user can access.
We are giving
And
permission to everyone there.
administrator get the confused which user create the which database, which data belong to the which user, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Exactly.
So now, how many users? And same thing yesterday asking how you can configure the multiple users. Same thing. Already I told you. Select the multiple users at a time and configure. Clear? Doesn't matter.
Yes, sir. Sir.
Yes.
Sir, here
Uh,
one doubt about the share folder.
Yeah,
Yes.
brother.
So
we have-
who will ask it? First, who will going to ask? Amjad or Mr. Tahir?
Let Amjad finish the question, please.
Okay.
Okay. Sir, I have one question. I'm Amjad user and Muhammad user is different.
Hmm.
If I save Amjad user, then I can access from Muhammad user or not, sir?
No. You're administrator or you user?
Only administrator can access, not
Yes.
another user can't access.
And those user who have the administrator rights.
Oh, okay. Like local administrator, like Usman
If
bhai.
you have the permission,
Yeah.
administrator.
Yesterday, day before yesterday, I think we created Usman bhai as a local administrator, so he can
But
access also.
I'm not giving the permission.
Okay.
Administrator permission is different.
Okay.
User right. Clear? Okay, right. Mr. Tahir, go ahead.
Sir, as we just checked, seen that the sharing folders we are giving the path. So before giving a path, we have created only a shared folder in a volume, right?
Yes, exactly correct.
After that, we have just assigned a letter and mapped the drive.
That's it.
So for mapping a drive, does it require to we need to go into properties, or can't we go into the user's profile, user's desktop, and map the drive from there?
That we can do in one group model.
Oh, okay. So in this way, we just creating a folder, and we are mapping the drive to whatever the letter we require. We
Yes.
just give and give the share name where it has been. That volume has been allotted to that particular user.
That folder is become a value from client side.
Yeah, so in the client, whatever the folder we have created, that folder we are sharing to that, we are mapping to that. So what the capacity, what is the size it will take? As we have to create a folder, in that folder, the data is exceeding approximately 5 TB.
Whatever size of the your partition means drive partition where we create the share folder.
So, it means whatever the drive partition, drive size is there, with that size, irrespective of user, irrespective
can-
of users who is the
Yeah,
so they
exactly.
they are able to get it. Okay. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Clear home folder. But see here in the server side, I open. What is the size of this drive? 2 GB, right? Now go to client side and open SST at 123 and open the home folder. See here. What is the size of the home folder drive?
The same 1.95 GB, the same, sir.
So what is showing? Share folder space or drive space?
Drive space is showing, sir.
Drive space. Okay.
1.95 GB. The same thing that is being shown there. The same thing
So
that is.
Amjad also, yes, Amjad also get the same space, and Muhammad also get the same space. Usman also get the same space. Tahir also get the same space. Riyaz get the same, and Shoaib also. Everybody get the same space, right?
Yeah, sir. Everyone gets the same space, sir.
But Amjad, all user require only 1 GB, right? But the space is 1 terabyte, right? And no one can access your data. You can access, right? So secure is there, uh, right? So
Sir,
that is the reason Usman, what they did, they are storing personal information also. Some pictures, videos, okay, some data, some notes, they are storing because they get a lot of space, right?
excuse me,
Am I
sir.
right or wrong? Yes.
I have question. The
Yes, yes, tell me.
if, uh, both users, sir. Amjad user and Muhammad user.
Hmm.
If Amjad user full the capacity of hard drive, that home case, sir, home gate drive.
Hmm.
The Muhammad user have this storage, or he have different storage, or combined storage, sir.
So here it show the same story.
Same storage. If I fulfill
Same
1
because
GB means he, yeah, if I full the 1 GB means he have only the 95 GB per
right.
space.
But
Sir?
everybody get the same 2 GB space.
Yeah. Okay,
For
sir.
the point. But how much they are used, so is value. So that time what will happen? The space is going to full, right? If 1
Yes, sir.
terabyte, 2 terabyte, because 100 user I configure the home folder, 100 user get that thing. Because the user, for example, Amjad need only 500 MB. Usman need, because he's a developer designer, so he want 1 GB. Okay. Mr. Tahir, okay, he's a manager, so he get the information, so he required the 2 GB, right? So 1 GB,
Yes,
2
sir.
GB, and 500, maximum 4 GB, right? But you get 1 terabyte hard disk, right? So everybody seen 1 terabyte hard disk, right? So that is the reason what they will do. They in personal information they are going to be saved because no one can access, only the which user belong to home folder that he can access, right? So that time what will happen? Where they store the information is going to be stored in the server, right? Server partition. So that time what will happen? Unnecessary server partition, server disk is occupied, right? So when hard disk is going to be filled, so it's affected to system performance, means server performance, the domain controller performance. So when DC controller server performance is going to be low, anything, so that time is affected to your network. If affected to the network, so it's affected to your revenue. Clear? So what is the solution? So that is the reason what I need to do. Every user, whatever the requirement of the space, so I allow to that particular space. Usman need only 1 GB is enough to him for according to his designation, according to his work. So I will allot to Usman to 1 GB. Tahir required the 2 GB, so I allot only 2 GB. More than 1 GB Usman can't use. More than 2 GB Mr. Tahir can't use. More than 500 MB Mr. Amjad can't use. Got the point?
Yes, sir.
So like that, I can assign disk quota.
Okay. So administrator can assign the
See,
storages for.
sir, for example, that data quota is over, man, means the end user, he requires more space, so he has to ask the administrator for
Yes,
allotting.
administrator. Yes,
Okay, means
and it's not
he
like
want to
that.
he want to keep the backup of all his work, and he wants the new data also. So that at that time he has to ask the administrator to allot him the more data, right, sir?
Yes, yes. There is two possibilities. One is so that data is moved to the storage. Whatever data is, for example, this one is 1 GB. So 1 GB is full, right?
So it's
So
1 GB is full.
that data is unnecessary to Usman, but the data should be in company record
Yes, sir.
to
Yes, sir.
maintain the company record, save the record. So the automatically the data is moved to the storage. Clear? So Usman get the empty space, but Usman want to access the data and he need more space, so he need to mail to the whatever team leader and manager, whatever. So to get the approval, so then administrator expand, increase your space.
No space. Okay, sir.
Same like that, you got the Gmail. How much space?
Yes, sir.
15 GB or
15
16
GB,
GB, like
yes,
that.
yeah. If we need
That's
more
it.
space, we have to take the premier membership. We have to
Now
extend it.
tell me any friend of you or any friend, you are any friend, or you, anytime they said, I finish my Gmail quota, or you are listening anybody with anybody? Oh, I Gmail quota, I finished 15 GB. Okay, so that is the reason I need to create one more email ID. Did you heard like that?
Yeah. Yes, sir. It happened to me only, sir. Like
Yeah.
I was having a lot of data in the Google Drive, like
Yes.
all my data, the folders and the videos,
Yes.
whatever I was getting, like even with our smartphone, it is connected, sir. We are
Yes.
connected with the
So
Android phone, so
that time there is yes two options.
yes, sir.
Either you can create another email, and otherwise you have to pay because 15 GB is free. After 15 GB you want
After
to use,
15
you have to
GB,
pay.
yes,
They
yes,
increase.
they'll increase, yes, sir.
They increase your quota. Understand?
Yes, sir. So up to 15 GB, they'll give the free space. If you want to extend, they'll ask for the package. You have to take the package from them, sir.
Yes. After that, they are not creating the any email ID you are giving. Oh, not like that. Just only they expand your space once you pay. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Same thing here. If the user want, and according to company policy, company think yes, we need to increase, so get the approval, and then administrator will increase. Clear? So now, how we can assign? How we can assign the
Sir,
quota?
excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
You said the if we after getting full the storage, it will automatically move to backup.
Yes.
If you need to access that backup, then we can access from the drive, or we need to contact administrator. Sir?
Based on company policy. If you
Okay.
have the rights, you can access, you can. See here,
Okay.
it's not like that. I already told you of that because what we are learning is totally different. In when you go to the organization inside, the totally
It's
different.
totally different.
What
Yes, sir.
happened? What
This
happened?
is for knowledge
Here,
purpose.
yes, this is what happened in storage also. The people with company policy that every data is going to be storage and storage. So in that types of different storage, if you are accessing the daily data, so that is called different storage. 6 month every month or monthly wise you are accessing, 6 months you are yearly you are accessing, that is different location, right? Got the point? And
Yes,
at
sir.
the last end, so they store the data, so nobody can access means 1 year, 1 year, 2 year, anything. So they will that is come to the last one. After that, automatically the data is stored in that 1 year. After 1 year, means we can configure how many years you want. After 1 year, the data automatically is going to be deleted. Auditing
Okay.
happened in the companies. Auditing happened. After auditing, the people are delete the data. Maximum companies delete it. Okay, some. Andhra Bank, you know
Okay.
that multiple bank is not maintaining the data, but Andhra Bank is maintain the 90 years that data, 90 years old data they are maintained.
90 years records. Yes, sir.
Yes, 90 years old records is maintained. Either I don't know have
So how we
the
can assign?
back is there or not, but from the beginning whatever they are maintained because they are shifted to the each and everything the paper they are maintained, and that after that paper they are moved to the technology. Okay, so
Yes, sir.
but I'm not sure that one. So, but people are saying people are because Andhra Bank is maintained the old, the other bank is not maintained the old. Because that. So 1 year you are accessing, 2 years you are accessing, 3 years. The project is, for example, project. So project you are complete, right? So you need to provide the service. So lifelong you are not provide the service, right, to that project.
Yes, sir.
So that is the LSA, right? LSA is there, right? Agreement is there. In the agreement you have to provide 2 years 3 years service, right? After 2 years 3 years if they extend, okay, they extend, right? But the technology is not remain same, right? The technology is move, right? So you need to update that one, right? Maybe the project you will get or another company gets for the new technology. So 10 years, after 10 years the data is waste, right?
Yes, sir.
So why the company is kept like that, unnecessary, occupy the list. So after 10
There
years,
is.
company remove it, everything, and auditing is happen, everything is happen. Whatever. So stages is there, right? Storage stages.
Yes,
So
sir.
the
If there
automatically
is
is
necessary, they will keep. If there is
so
unnecessary, they will
uh, that
justify
is
or they will.
storage admin know well. Okay. So how
Yes,
the data, the based on the company policy, they are move. They are configured to the data, so automatically the data will move on. Got the point?
yes, sir.
Clear. Now, how to configure the this code? So open. See here. This is this partition. In this partition, where I create the share folder, right click properties, and here one option is there quota tab. Guys,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
okay?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We are able to see this. You are able to see your screen, sir. Quota.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
yes, quota. And enable quota management.
Yes.
Just check for and deny this space to user executing quota limit. Okay, understand? Deny this space to user and select events and quota limit events. Events is nothing but message. Okay, you get the notification like that notification. Clear? Now quota entry. Click on quota entry.
Okay, sir.
Click on quota entry. When I quota entry, so here I is asking quota new quota entry quota, click on no, and here provide the username. For example, I'm assigned Amjad, Amjad user, right? So check the name, yes, Amjad, and click on OK. See here, when I click on OK, so he's asking set the quota limit on this user. So select limit this quota. So how much GB, TB, is our right? So how much I want, I can
MB.
assign. Yes. So here
MB.
I'm asking
500 MB.
what
500 MB, sir.
20. I'm assigned
Okay.
20. Okay, 20 KB. That is the and warning. Warning means notification. My disk space is come to near full. So that time I get the notification. Hello, you already in mobile phone also you are get the notification,
Yes.
right?
Yes, sir.
Your
Yes,
disk
sir.
space is free space.
Yeah. Free
So,
the space.
yeah, 18 KB. I want system can give the notification, right? Reminding. Click on OK and then close. See here, red. When I click on here, signal will start. Okay. So is yellow and now it became a red. Clear? Green. Previous is red, now it became a green. Okay. Right. Now go and log in with Amjad user. Now see here, what is the space?
20 kb,
So how much is using? 12,
12 kb.
right? So what I will do, I will
12 kb is
copy.
already utilized.
Yes, again I'm using here. Now I get that warning. There is
There is not
not
enough
enough.
space on Amjad. Yes, sir.
So you asking, so what I will see, this is the full. So simple logic. So it's necessary, unnecessary, I deleted. In mobile, email is called archive. So in the company, people are sent to the archive.
Archives, yes.
Yes, you find the in inbox one folder.
Archives, yes, sir.
So
Archives.
yeah, so you can all mail copy and paste there. That is the storage, your storage, legacy mails, right? And you are like that you can empty the your inbox. Got the point clear?
Yes, sir. Exactly, sir. We got.
Yes. This is the this quota and home folder. Clear?
Yes.
Sir,
Hello.
one minute. At the same time, on the same scenario, we are limiting the quota for, and we are increasing and decreasing the disk space for the user, right?
Yes, yes.
So if we, whatever the disk space is available by default, if we go in this quota, we can increase that.
Yes, you increase that space also and this is quota also. Actually,
With the help of
actually, in the real time, they
yes,
configure the dynamic hard disk, right? So
yes,
automatically the data will come. Automatically hard disk space is extended. Same like that I told you. Active Directory database folder. Remember, by default is 200 MB, but when the data it will come, so automatically is expand till to 2
Yes.
terabyte.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Same
sir.
like in the real time, this thing is happen. So when data is going to be stored, so because the hard disk we are configure when we create the we can configure this mirror, this level, so like this red levels. So automatically, and backup people know. So when your data is executing, automatically hard disk also is expanding. Hard disk space, physical space also is expanding. So it doesn't matter for that one. Okay, right, Mr. Dad, and Mr. Dad.
yes. So yeah, in this way we are just giving the opportunity in practice time, but the real environment is little bit different as per the dynamic drives, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Because we are seeing only limited space. Okay, this is full, so that number will happen, right? The questions come, but where the value automatically is executed. Okay, got the point. So this is the now next topic, DHCP, Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol. So already we discussed DHCP, okay, and how it will work. Okay, what the thing is there,
Yes, sir.
everything we discuss. Here, this is our DHCP server, domain controller, and this is our DHCP client. DHCP client, so DHCP server. So between these two, one process is happened. That process is called DORA process. Remember, discover, offer, request, acknowledgement. So
Yes,
client
sir.
is discovered
Yes,
automatically,
sir. Dora process.
and server is offered. The client is request for IP, and a server is provide the acknowledgement with IP address. How it will happen? It happen with MAC address. What is the MAC address? Physical address. We can say physical address. So how it look like? See, this is the physical address. This is the MAC address. What is the MAC address here?
It is physical address.
So 00 C hyphen 29 hyphen 6F hyphen BF hyphen 1B. This is the MAC address. Clear? So this is hexadecimal number, right? So hexadecimal number. What is the hexadecimal number?
6,
16 digit.
16.
Yeah, 16 digit, mashallah. One.
Yeah.
Who's selling that 16?
I am Muzammil. 16 by
Muzammil.
A B C D E F.
Yep, sir.
After 9 A B C D E F. After 9 no. After 9 A B C D E F.
15, 16.
After 9.
Yes, sir. Up to 9 till 10 will become
So
A,
zero.
sir.
So 0 is not. Is there 0? Is there, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Zero.
yes. 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7
1, 2,
8
3,
9.
4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Is
No. A B C
no,
D
it
F.
is not, right? A, B, C, D, F. Right? So I have question. Why A, B, C, D? Why not 11, 12, 13, 14, 15?
Example.
Because it's a single binary number, sir.
Hmm.
It's a double. After 10, it will become double digits. So
Hmm.
only single binary number will.
Hmm. If 2 digit is become a decimal number, means 0, 1. 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, right?
This is binary number, sir. 0.
Binary number, decimal number.
Yeah.
Decimal number 1 to 7 is a decimal number 10 to 15, right? So
10
these
to
binary number 1 0, okay, 12, 13, 14 and 15, because 2 digits, so system will get the confused.
yes, sir.
So that is the reason they convert those single digits. So A, B, C, D, E, F. So if you count from 0 to 15, total 16, right?
Yes, sir.
So that 0 means 0. And
Yes,
0
sir.
C, for example, 0 means 0.
0, 0.
And second, 0 C,
Yes, sir. 0 C means 0, 12.
0,
12,
12,
1,
right?
2. Yes, sir.
So that means is 12, right? And 29 means two nine, 116,
2, 9.
16. 16 into 2, 32. 32 plus 9,
32 plus 9,
41.
41.
Yes, this is the 41.
How, sir?
Binary number, how it will become? 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, right? 32
Yes, sir.
and 64. Then 128. Remember?
130. Yes, sir. 256.
Because and here same like that 1, 16,
32.
254. 1 0 means 16 is total 16. Multiply. Okay, clear? So just understand, because in the network part, if you go, we will discuss, okay, clearly about the IP address, decimal number, HN, everything. Okay. So that number is why is 16254. Okay. So how to convert this number? What is the value of this MAC address? Okay.
Yes, sir. There are various conversion techniques. Even we can go with binary to hexadecimal converter.
Yes. Yes.
They are available online also, sir. If you put a binary, it will give a equivalent
Yes.
hexadecimal, or that values are also available. You can use
Yes.
online to.
Available, but in the company
Yes,
that
sir.
time you're not able to access. So that time we need to understand.
We should
Okay.
be able to know. Yes, sir. Exactly.
But now in this situation, so just only no. Okay, this is the MAC hexadecimal number. Okay, 12 digit, 48 bits. Okay, that's it. Not much. So with the help of MAC address, they can. So how the PXE chip, pre-execution involvement. So what is the chip work? So contact to DHCP server. DHCP server. So is like a discover. Is going to discover itself. Hello, DHCP is available here or not? So that time this is the discover. With the help of MAC address, with the help of chip, this PXE chip, that the client DHCP is discovered. Clear? Already we discussed everything. Dora. So this is the discover. Then server is reply offer. Was yes, I'm available. What do you want? So that time client is request for IP address. So the server is reply and providing the IP address. So this is the Dora process. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So in the server, require the Active Directory, and with the help of DHCP server, we can manage the IP addresses, right? So now, how we can install the IP address? Oh, sorry. How to install the DHCP service? Okay. Time. What is the time? 3:07. So you continue tomorrow.
Sir, if
Sir, how much time it will?
if it takes more time, then we can continue tomorrow, sir. Like
Half an hour.
if it takes
Sir, this is a
5 minutes.
fresh topic, no, sir. Let it be continue tomorrow.
Okay.
Sir, if there is a
Minimum
large topic, then we can.
15
Excuse me, sir.
minimum 15 minutes I need for this one.
So I think.
So 10 is over. Correct. Time is over. It was 3 of 10 is now. So 20 minutes is correct. Because you have another class, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Then tomorrow only it's better, sir. Tomorrow we can start with the
Yes, so directly we can start the lab, right?
Yeah, DHCP
So,
directly.
installation service and how to verify and how to reserve the MAC address to particular system. Okay, how can assign static MAC address? Clear? IP address.
Yes, sir.
So we'll discuss inshallah tomorrow, and the theory DNS will start inshallah.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Oh, correct.
Hello, sir. Thank you.